Today we are going to be reviewing our little Tikes 2-in-1 Snug and Secure swing. I've had it for a little over a year and a half. I have two little girls, 2 and 1, and they both love it, so it has worked for us. I like that it has these hooks that make sure that they're not going anywhere. I like that a lot. 2-in-1, you can hook it this way and hook the straps down in, which another good thing is it has these covers over top of the straps where the adult has to go up that way to get them, which is nice because my 2-year-old's figuring out how to undo everything, so it's nice that she can't get to it. And the 2-in-1, you can flip it this way and slide your strap through here and hook it that way, so then you can ride it like that as well, which is nice for when they get a little bit bigger. But we love it and we've had it forever and it works well for us, so we like it. Do you want to ride in the swing?
Yeah.
Yeah? Come on. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. And that's it. We love our little Tikes Snug and Secure swing, and it gives me peace of mind that they're not going anywhere. And she loves it. Do you love the swing?
Yeah.
Yeah.